Hello, welcome to today's class. Again, we have this simple exponential equation before us here. Okay, how do we solve this math problem? The question is solve 32 to the power of x equal to 20 to the power of 125. What is the value of x? Here we're looking for x. Okay, so let's take our solution. Now, the first we're going to do here, we consider the exponent we have here and the exponent we have here. Okay? Because of the exponent, what we do, we go to take the log to either base 10 or we take ln base e. But here, because of the bases we're having here and here, let's take log to base 10 on both sides. So this will give us here log around 32 all to the power of x. This is equal to log about 20 to the power of 125 or to base 10. This is also base 10. Okay, so what do we do? Now recall the law of logarithms, which says that if you have your log, let's pick m to the power of p, then we have our base 10 here, move this exponent back here. So this will now give us p times log our m. We remember this? Okay, so let's apply that to this exponent we have here now. So we are moving the whole of this to this side, and also we're moving this exponent back here. Okay, so this will now give us our x, the log our 32 base 10, then this equal to 125 log our 20 base 10. This is easy, right? Good. We're looking for x. So for us to make x the subject of the formula, we divide by this quantity here, which is log 32 base 10. So let's divide this by log 32 base 10. And also, whatever we do to the left, we must do to the right hand side. So this. Automatically, this and this will leave the system. So we're now left with our x is equal to our 125 log 20 all over log 32. This 10, this is also this 10. Okay, we want to simplify this down. And how do we do that? Look at 20 here. We can write 20 as 10 times 2, right? Good. So let's rewrite this expression here. Okay, so this is going to give us here our x will now be equal to 125, right? The log, then bracket our 10 times 2, close bracket, base 10, everything all over log 32 base 10. So what we do, we apply the multiplication law of logarithm again. What does it say? It says that if you have your log, let's put our m, n, then this could be written as our log m, then plus log n. Remember this? Right. So we can rewrite this in this format. Again, if you look at 32, 32 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 5. Okay, so let's rewrite this and at the same time express this as 2 to the power of 5. So this will now give us here our x is equal to 1, 2, 5. Okay, the log, but let's put this in brackets, log 10 base 10 there plus our log 2 base 10 close bracket all over. Here we're going to have log base 10, then we have 2 to the power of 5. Again, applying the power law, which is this, of our logarithm, we move this 5 to this side of the equation. So we're going to end up having this to be x will now be equal to 1, 2, 5 bracket. Now, Log 10 base 10 will give us 1. You remember that law? The law says that log a base a will give us 1, provided a is not equal to 0. So again, if we subtract to this law here, then we are going to have here to be what? 1. So the whole of this will give us here 1, then plus our log 2 base 10 close bracket all over. Moving this to this side of the equation, this exponent, we move it back here, right? According to the power law. So this is going to give us 5 log our 2 base 10. Easy. I will learn something here. Good. So we can use 5 to divide 5 here to give us 5. The 5 into 125 will give us 25. So our equation is now reduced to, here we have 25 bracket 1 plus log 2 base 10 close bracket all over. Here we have log 2 base 10. Okay, again, we can use this 25 to open up everything we have in here, right? So this now implies that our x will now be equal to our 25, right? Then plus 25, the log 2 base 10 all over log 2 base 10. Now, if you look at what we have here now, we are having log 2 base 10 here, we are having log 2 base 10 here. So we can rearrange everything we have here. So if we rearrange it, it's going to give us 25 all over log 2 base 10, then plus 25 log 2 base 10 all over log 2 base 10. This will go with this, right? So we will now have this to be 25 all over log 2 base 10 plus 25 here. So rewriting this, we can now have this. Therefore, our x will now be equal to 25 plus 25 all over log 2 base 10. So this is the value of our x. Now, if you want the numerical value, all you just need to do is to plug this into your calculator, whatever you have, use this to divide it and add the answer to it. It will give you the numerical value that will satisfy this original equation, which is this. Okay, our 32 to the power of x equal to 20 to the power of 125. Okay, so this marks the end to this math challenge here. If you've learned something from this math tutorial, then give the video a thumbs up. If you have any question with regard to what we just solved now to the math challenge, then drop it in the comment section. We are there to reply to all your comments. Okay, thanks for being there. See you in our next video.